Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about on how you can use Xero with Amazon for Amazon sellers like FBA. Now what you want to do is use this tool Taxomate. I'd like really great reviews. This is not my company, very important thing to say, all right? So this is something that you can like check out for yourself, where you can automatically sync your Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Walmart and Etsy sales. And all you have to do is click here, get this app. And right here allow access. Now what I want to also share, guys, like very important thing is that you can also like create your own, if you know how to use Claude, like Claude Code, the Opus 4 profile, like the Gemini Pro. You want to definitely check it out. Maybe you can like make your own integration and you don't have to pay for anything, because you're gonna get like a free trial, but something that I want to share with you, right? So for my business, and right here you can like up to $200 orders a month, you can have $14 a month. And right here you're gonna have to like no payment source added, so you can like subscribe to plan and you can like add payment source here, and then you're gonna have like autofilling here, so you're gonna like fill it out and then you're gonna save the card. So I'm just going to fill it out with the details. And then what you're gonna do is that you just have to have it. I will show you how it works. Now in the moment when you got it, I'm just going to fill it out with mine. Okay, so give me a second, Xero. Okay, and I'm just like filling out right now for you. Okay, safeguard. Okay. And now for the Amazon accounts, what you're gonna find here, you're gonna find the Europe, North America, like where you're actually from. I'm going to go like Amazon, or you're gonna have like Amazon.com. And you have to like connect to your Amazon account, and that's pretty much it, right? So I'll come here. Okay, again, I'm just gonna wait for the message, and this is how you're gonna do it, right? Okay, and you just have to like connect it, and this is how you're gonna do it, guys. So I hope this video provided a little bit of value, how the whole process works and how you can connect Taxomate with like Amazon, and then you just have to connect the bookkeeping account with the Xero, and that's how you got it. So have a great day, guys, and goodbye.